Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the touch bar on the Aura frame in 2026. Now the touch bar is going to let you control the frame directly without using your phone. So on your Aura digital frame, the touch bar is located on the top or side edges of the frame. So it is not on the screen, so you won't leave the fingerprints while using it. So once you know where it is, you can start using the gestures. So you can just simply swipe top once on the touch bar, and this is going to show the informations like the date of the photo and the location. And this is useful when you want more context about a picture. If you want more control, you can try the swipe gestures. For that, you just have to use your fingers. So swipe your fingers across the touch bar to move the photos between. This is going to let you skip the photos and go back to the previous images. Now it works like scrolling on your phone but without touching the screen. Now you can also touch and hold the touch bar for a few seconds, and this is going to open the menu where you can basically turn the frame off. You can remove the photo and you can even replay the videos or live photos. Then you can swipe to select an option and confirm it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.